Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking DIY skincare to a whole new level. We are creating something extraordinary, a 5-star moisturizer for under $5. And yes, it's as amazing as it sounds. Get ready to be wow because luxury skincare just got affordable. But before we jump into our skincare lab, here's a little nudge. If you're talking about transforming simple ingredients into skincare marvels, hit that subscribe button. Join our community and let's explore the wonders of green beauty together. Alright, let's unveil the ingredients for our budget-friendly yet luxurious moisturizer. And guess what? We have added a crucial ingredient that's often missed in DIY recipe, a preservative. This little add-on ensures your homemade creation stays fresh and effective longer. Here's what you need: shea butter 20 grams for that deep moisture, aloe vera gel 30 grams, soothing and lightweight hydration, coconut oil 15 grams, rich and nourishing, vitamin E oil 2 grams, antioxidant rich for skin protection, lavender essential oil 2 drops for a calming scent, distilled water 27 grams, bringing it all together, natural emulsifying wax 5 grams to bind oil and water, natural preservative 1 gram to keep your moisturizer safe and effective. Start by melting your shea butter, coconut oil, and emulsifying wax. You can use a double boiler or microwave, but remember gentle heat is key. In another container, blend the aloe vera gel with the distilled water. Aloe vera will give your skin a fresh, hydrated feel. Once your oil mix is slightly cooled, gradually blend in the aloe vera water mix. Stir continuously for a smooth consistency. Add the vitamin E oil and lavender essential oil for the skin loving benefits and luxurious aroma. Here is the crucial step. Add 1 gram of your natural preservative. This will ensure your moisturizer stays fresh and effective for longer. Whip the mixture until it turns creamy and lush. And there you have it, your homemade high-end moisturizer. For those wondering where to get this ingredient, check the description box below. We've got you covered with all the links you need to gather your supplies. If you enjoyed this video and cannot wait to try this recipe, give us a thumbs up and share your experiences in the comments. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe to Green Beauty Chemist for more incredible DIY beauty recipes and tips. We are here to make your journey in natural beauty fun, easy and affordable. Thank you for watching. Remember, creating luxurious skincare at home is not just about saving money. It's about enjoying the process and knowing exactly what goes into your product. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Keep experimenting. Embrace the joy of crafting your home beauty essential. Until next time, keep glowing with your natural beauty. And remember, the best skincare is the one you make with love.